Are you ready to learn how you can quickly get started with stock trading, even if you're a complete beginner? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading Basics Quick Start Guide to Stock Trading. Here's where I'll take you step by step through the entire process of creating your trading account to placing your first trade. You will learn the top mistakes that beginners make, stock trading terminology, how to set up your trading account, various trading strategies, and tons more. I will even show you how you can practice trading the real stock market without risking your own cash. Learning how to trade stocks will take some time and practice, but with the right training, you can develop your skills much faster than trying to learn on your own. This quick start guide to stock trading will provide you with everything you need to get started with zero fluff or filler. By the end of the course, you will have a new trading account and the knowledge you need to start trading stocks. Take a moment to check out the curriculum and the free preview videos so you can see all the valuable information that we'll be covering in the course. So enroll today and let's trade some stocks. I'll see you in the course. Hey, Jason here again with Quantum Courses, and thanks for checking out this video preview. To get the full course and view our other online courses and masterclasses, head over to jasongandy.org or click the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button, and I'll see you next time.